has. Or mamacitas or something like that. But whatchamacallit said it's good if you throw nerds on it, and then you know that tahini shit? So tahini, and then you dip it into like a little bit of nerds and you open it. And that's what I'm gonna do. Things for being sauce. Damn it, you just hungry, Jack. Fucking mashed potato thing. It is really good. I was just like to see it, I think. Oh, they got that breakfast sandwich too. Hot pockets. Chicken fries, a whole bunch of stuff on how much earlier. It's only $7 on Walmart. And like, I wouldn't mind your one second. Oh shit, look, they got Yahoo there. We want to do like burgers and fries then? Since you want burgers. Actually, I was thinking again. That's fine. I mean, good. Should we grab the salt now? Oh, yeah. Take over. Sexy. You're sexy. You know, on their bikes and shit. Bikes and shit. Please don't waffle. Oh, my coffee. If it falls, it's okay. Oh, that wind feels so nice.
Oh, yeah, still smells.
Yeah, still smells, but that's so nice. It's because of this back part of the stadium. I feel like they don't clean it. It just smells. That looks pretty.
Oh, I have such a weak stomach. I can't do no types of smell when I have a kid.
I'm gonna have to deal with all the shit. I'm gonna have to deal with all the shit. The day we have a kid. The day we have a kid. Huh? What?
So why you keep looking back?
Because I'm trying to make sure that they're not coming with the bikes. I don't want to be in their way. Especially if they're just going and they don't notice it. Because look, they're covered.
Me? Okay, look. Huh? I look properly.
Okay. I said, look. It's probably. That's what I said. Like, it's probably covered.
That's where I go.
Aren't you camping? I fucking knew it, bro. Fucking knew it. Oh, is the rock still here? Do you remember we put down the rock last year? Yeah, I left it somewhere around here. I still remember. I did take a video of it on TikTok. A bird. Let's continue going. Yeah. That's what I'm saying. What if it's a fucking... Yo. What if it's a fucking... Whatchamacallit? A snake or some shit. Huh? What did you just say? A what? A cucaray? A cockroach? A cockroach will make that noise? I know what you meant. You meant el cuco. You did not mean a cucaracha. You tried to say cucaracha. You know, a cockroach. El cockroach? No. You meant el cuco. He coming for you. Hey, Coco. Woo! Your reactions would have me good. Stop trying to play me. That was me, it's you. Can't play me. My hands are slippery. Because I got lotion on them. The fuck? Sound like I was about to start rhyming. Ooh. No. Facts.
Just chilling. All that up there.
Oh yeah, I didn't even notice that.
Back to come back.
My biggest supporter, thanks, babe. Walk back, do it again. That shit really does look mad nice. Oh, you look good too. Wow. My baby.
Right up there. See it?
Oh shit, yeah. Oh, I felt something in my leg. I'm gonna continue going before you're gonna shit on me. What?
Watch out with this. Defeated the whole over there. Remember? Because we came in like the winter home so we could see every part of it. Now we really can't because it's like that's one.
Yeah, but this looks prettier. I think it's only because we came now though. Because last time we came later on in the year and you couldn't see properly through. It looks way prettier. You know? It looks pretty, man. The sky looks crazy. That's crazy. It's me and my commentary in the back. Crazy. It's me and my commentary in the back. That's crazy. This is one of the quietest fucking trails we've taken though. I'm not that gullible. This is so pretty. Oh, pretty, oh, pretty. Don't let it touch you again. Don't let it touch you again. I think I got that earlier, but I'm not sure. Birdie. Yeah, bird's there. A bunny's foot? Don't play. I'm glad I didn't fucking step on it. What the fuck? I almost stepped on a bunny's foot. Huh? To step on?
No.
Oh my god, I almost stepped on it, babe. That scared me. I would have felt so bad. Oh. Puta, dental. Sticky. This smells like shit, bro. It got worse as soon as I said it. Huh? The worst part is that once you open your mouth, you can't go back. It still smells that bad. You gotta fix that, bro. So bad. What the fuck? The bird? That's how the bird sounds. Yo. Oh, it's all the way back there. No, I hear it. It is making that noise. Not that one. You know. Oh shit. Is he coming to play? He saw it, right? No? Oh. I was about to say.
They probably fixed this so many times. So now, but this I ain't gonna
keep going. The,
Even
all the way
with
to my
bridge,
house.
they should put no signal like that. When it's green, don't go. When it's red, you go.
Yeah. We should just do this quick. It's the first time I ever crossed a railroad track like this. Don't fuck with me like that. Talk about us coming. I never walked the railroad track. You know that?
No?
I've never walked the railroad track. You know that? That was my first time ever doing that.
No, not my first time. That's what I
See what I mean? We do shit together. I do shit with you that I would have never done with other people. I would have been too scared. I'm like, I don't know.
We found out a little circle. I like it.
Me too.
It's a lot easier like that.
Thanks, buddy.
Now we can just come through all the trees.
Did I just think it's a turn over here? Instead of going all the way around. Damn, we went so much
All
around.
around, that's what I'm saying.
Bro, now we're right next to the house. We've made it to Malkebacket.
Adventures.
Oh, that's what I'm gonna call this. I love you. Adventures on foot. See? You should start doing that too.
How are you?
Bae, you're good. Look, you being more.
Can you yell at me if I cut away?
Bae, you're fucked up. You're fucked up. Thinking you'd be mad if I cut
I
away.
just need to sleep in calm here.
I have rapped in a program I did, a Weird Weekends episode about rap.
Can you remember any of the rap that you did?
My money don't jiggle jiggle, it folds. I'd like to see you wiggle wiggle.